welcome to another episode of Crafting with Crystal, where I show you fun and easy crafts that you can do at home with your family and create something beautiful every week. This week we're making an origami dress. It is so cute. So this is, I guess, more of a girl craft, but anyone can do it. My son does it with me. It's just a really cute dress. So I'm going to take you down now and I'm going to talk you through the entire thing. Let's go. Okay, so hi guys, hi again. We are gonna make this origami dress out of this green sheet of paper. This sheet is measured 9 inches across by 9 inches down, so it's a perfect square. So any size square will do. 8 by 8. I would go as low as 8 by 8 or maybe 7 by 7, and this is about 6 inches in length that you will get this dress with a 9 by 9 sheet of paper. So let's just get right into it and get started. So the first fold you're going to make is you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to meet another fold. So you're going to take the end and meet it to the middle fold, or that center fold there, and fold again. Fold it up, turn it around, fold to that center fold, fold again, and meet it. Then you're going to turn this entire thing over and take this end and fold it to the center here. And do the same thing on the other side. Yeah? So make sure and stay with me. You're going to take this and turn it over. Make sure this end has no opening because the other side has an opening. You're going to fold this up to about 1/2 inch from the top. This is something you can eyeball because it's basically telling you what size you want your dress. So just about 1/2 inch from the top is where I folded it, so you can see that there. And then you're going to fold it down, leaving another 1/2 inch down here, like so. Right? So that your fold looks like this, or your paper looks like this, I should say. Right? You're going to keep it closed like this and turn it over like so. You're going to open, so you're going to hold the middle and then take this section and just open it. And as you can see already, you can see that that's the skirt of our dress. So we want a big skirt and a nice little neat top, and that's basically what you're doing, which is why you folded and made this sort of Z fold here. Hold the middle and hold the top and pull it open and make your creases really well. Now we're going to work with the top of our dress. To make the top section, what I want you to do is fold. So you're going to make like a V. So you're folding this section, or here is going to meet here. So just like so. Make sure it meets in a nice straight line, and open the other side as well. And then this is a very important part. You're going to open this and make it like this. I'm going to show you that again with the other side, so don't worry. Okay, so it might look complicated, but it really isn't. So I'm going to bring it a little closer. So this section that you have folded here, you're opening it and taking this part down and then pushing this part in using this crease that you made. So you made a crease when you fold it like that. You made a crease here. So you've taken this crease and folding it in the other direction, basically. You see what it is there? So I pulled it up and I pushed it in, yeah? And now it looks like this. Yeah, so it looks like this. So you're going to take this and fold it down. You can turn to the other side so you can get a good fold. And you're going to take this and put it like that. Right? So then you're pushing this up like that and getting it like that. Right? You're going to open. And then you're going to take this flap here. So fold it both ways. And you're going to open it. So there's a little section here where you can open it. You're going to open it and get it to fold really neatly out this way. right? Trying to maintain the fold straight across here like that. So we're making the top of our dress basically, right? And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Open it like so and fold it across. Now with my dress, as you can see, there was no peak at the top. I didn't like how the peak looked at the top, so I folded it over and I folded this down, right? And then I taped it down, or you could use glue and stick it down. Now you don't have to do this. What you can do is leave it up if you want. So we leave it up in this dress, and I'll have one just with it down, one just with it up, right? So you're going to stay in this section of your dress and you're folding this up towards the top like this. So in this point it gets kind of tricky to fold, so you don't have to take it to the middle. You're just making a little fold like this and a fold on the other side like so. So we're going to make basically the waistline for the dress. So when you push that open there, then you're going to open it and take this section with the same fold like that and bring it in like so. So we're giving our lady a nice little waist line here. Let's do it on the other side. So remember, this was down like this. We folded it up, then we opened it. I pulled this entire top section to fold it back that way on itself, and to make sure the fold stays, we're using this fold down here to make sure it stays down really neatly. So you're folding it like this and then just getting this to stay down like that. Yeah, so let's just turn it over. Let me show you how it's supposed to look to the front. So this is how it looks to the front with that nice waist there, and to the back it looks a little messy, but we can stick all this down using glue afterwards and make it look really neat, because no one's seen the back of the dress, right? So you're folding that down, making sure your creases are really good again. And now, so that we don't have this part jutting out here, what you do is you take this section and you fold it this way. Now you want to fold it and make sure the crease goes all the way down to the end. So you see how small this is, you see how big this is. So we're folding it and we're holding it down and we're creasing it so it goes all the way down like that. All right, and I'm just going to show you how it looks now. See how neat that looks? Oh, very, very neat. And now I'm going to do the other side, see how this looks. So we're going to fix this side now, turn it over, and you're taking the entire section here and folding it, right? And to fold it neatly, we're gonna get it to come all the way down and fold this section here like this. And you are done. Your dress is finished. You're turning it over and you're making it look like this. This is your dress. This is the dress that we did before. They're identical except for that little top part. If I want it to be identical, I just have to fold this down like so, and there's your dress. So gorgeous. I stuck this one down with tape. You can use glue. So you turn it over and you put a dot of glue here, stick it down, put a dot of glue here, and then put two dots, one right here to stick this down here, and one here, and you have an absolutely gorgeous origami dress that you can display in your room or just anywhere you want to. On your desk, if you're, you know, and it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed it. So hi, so we just finished this. How cute is this? So these are little tiny origami dresses. Anyone can do them. I talked you through it, so I hope you make it. If you make it, please leave me a comment below, and if you like the video, drop a like on the video. Thank you so much for joining me in my craft room as usual, and creating this beautiful origami dress. Make sure and visit your local library where you can find books on origami and all different sorts of information that you would need. And stay crafty, my friends.